Alicia with the Big Pine Tribal News Team, and today we're at the Toiyabe Preventive Medicine. This is the Toiyabe Community Wellness Program, and we would like them to introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Kate Morley, and I'm the Program Coordinator for the Community Wellness Program.
And I'm Frey. I'm the Principal Investigator of the Toiyabe Community Wellness Program.
I'm Donna Pueblo, and I'm the Community Wellness Program Assistant.
What is the Community Wellness Program?
The Community Wellness Program is the Toiyabe program that is the outgrowth of a CDC, that's the Centers for Disease Control initiative to reduce chronic disease in America. And in 2011, the CDC offered organizations around the country to apply for what were called community transformation grants.
We got the name Community Wellness Program because when we looked at the work that we were doing, which ultimately is chronic disease prevention and treatment, we decided that as we focus on things like healthy eating and active living and encouraging people to live tobacco-free lifestyles, commercial tobacco-free lifestyles, and to get good clinical preventive services, that those four things were kind of encompassed under the banner of community wellness. We wanted to encourage people to be well, and we think that the four tracks that we're now working under hopefully will support the tribal community members in Mono County to do that.
Actually, too, Donna, we have a leadership team, and that leadership team had a lot to do with selecting that name.
Yeah, everybody was able to put in their opinion and idea of what our work is really in detail for our people in Mono County. So we were able to come up with that, and then we have a new logo. Shannon Romero was able to design a new logo, so hopefully people will start seeing that and put it with us.
What kind of work has the Community Wellness Program done in Big Pine?
With our Community Wellness Program, we have been working with the Big Pine Wellness Center, collaborating on getting exercise equipment and helping them put those pieces in. We are currently right now working on getting a bike project in the community that would be based out of the Wellness Center. And that would be like a loan program, so if someone is interested in riding a bike, they can go sign it out, enjoy it for the day, and bring it back. And we'll have staff down there that will be working on repairing those bikes and being able to sign those out to people in the community. I'm trying to think what else we have going on.
Yeah, well, we're working with Alan Baycock, and he was able to obtain a permaculture grant to develop a garden center over there near the tribal headquarters. We're very excited about helping that project get off the ground too, because again, it's an active living, healthy eating approach to helping people be healthier and obtain their own personal wellness.
Another project that we supported was a Nike Native fitness training, and we sent, I can't remember exactly how many, but I believe it was 5 or 6 community members from Big Pine to go to this training about 1.5 years ago now. And the hope was that once they went to this weekend training up in Oregon for 2 days, they could come back and be fitness leaders in the community. And that's something that we're excited to promote, because the more fitness leaders we have in all of our communities, the more people who are excited about getting out and exercising and who have the skills and the training to be able to teach others and help others to do that as well, is definitely something we could get behind and support.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell us some of the other projects you are working on in other communities?
Well, one of the projects that we're excited to be a part of is a community garden project. So we have been working with community gardens throughout the 2 counties to help them purchase greenhouses, because we think greenhouses are one neat piece of infrastructure that can stay in a garden for years to come, and that can help people expand the growing season, and can be kind of one more tool in the toolbox to help people grow their own healthy food. And so the Bridgeport community now has a new greenhouse. There are actually 2 going in at Bishop. There's a large one at the community garden at the Bishop Elder Center, and we're also working with the Bishop Indian Head Start to replace the greenhouse that they have that hasn't held up so well. Then down in Fort Independence and in Lone Pine as well, we have worked with them to get new greenhouses. So hopefully in the next couple of years you will see lots of fruits and veggies coming out of these new structures.
We're also pretty excited about the development of wellness centers. We have, of course, worked with the Tempesha tribe, the Lone Pine, Paichashonee tribe, Fort Independence, Big Pine.
And Benton.
Yep, and Bishop, and now Bridgeport, to develop wellness centers, and these are indoor centers where people can get out of harsh weather and can get exercise opportunities in.
We have collaborated with the city of Bishop and with Community Wellness, and we're able to put in, I believe, 13-piece outdoor exercise equipment, and it's on the east side, back side of the park, across the street from the senior center there, down there. And so far, that's been very, very successful.
We have a conservative estimate of about 7,000 visits in the last 60 days, which is, I'd say, a good start.
Yeah.
I heard that you guys are conducting a community health assessments. What are those? You're exactly right. We have been conducting community health assessments, and we've been conducting them for about probably the past 3 to 4 months now. And the health assessments, although it's kind of a big term, really what it means is that we, the community wellness team, are trying to get a sense of what's actually going on in terms of community health in the communities that we're working in. Some things are already working really well. We're excited to figure out what those are, to see if we can expand them. Maybe at other communities would want to try that. Some things could use a little bit of a change, and so we're asking people, if something could be improved, what would you like to see improved? What can we do as a program, as Toiyabe's program, to help you improve the health of your community? Is there something we can do that'll make it easier to exercise, that'll make it easier and cheaper and more convenient to eat healthy foods? Is there anything else we can do to support people who smoke cigarettes and who are trying to quit? And so the more questions we ask people who are actually living in these communities, the better our work is going to be, because it's going to be hopefully exactly what you guys would like to see. So in that sense, we've been conducting a bunch of interviews, we've done some focus groups, and we've also sent out a bunch of surveys. I'm just asking people, what do you see going on, and what would you like us to continue supporting, and what would you like us to do a little differently if we could help the community make a good change?
We've also been doing they call policy scans. And so what we do is we work with the tribes and see if there's ordinances or resolutions in place for healthy eating, safe places for people to exercise. So like say if there's an ordinance in place for dogs, because a lot of people don't want to go out because of the dog issue here on our reservations. So we see if those things are in place, and if not, then we take that information and take it back to the tribes, and we inform them that this is something that you guys could put in place in order to make your reservations a lot safer, and place where people can go and get exercise and be out and about, as opposed to being always home and not getting that chance to be physically active.
So how can people get a hold of you if they have any more suggestions or ideas for the future?
I'd say probably the best way would be to contact us through the Preventive Medicine Department at Toiyabe. Phone number is 760-873-8851. Any other ideas?
Or too, they can contact us through email. It's another way. Or if you want to come by and chat, we have the time. Make more time. ourselves available to sit down with people and, you know, get ideas and have that conversation about things that we can do positively in our communities.
Absolutely. You know, our doors are always open, and we're also working hard to make sure that we have a presence at community events. And so if there are wellness fairs, if there are Toiyabe activities, if there are, you know, community events in parks, we do our very best to be there. So just, you know, keep an eye out for us, and please approach us if you have any feedback or suggestions. We love community input, and the more you know, the more we get to talk to people, the stronger our work's going to be. So we encourage you to, send us an email, give us a call, stop by the office, or flag us down on our bicycles if we're riding around.
So is there anything else that you guys like to add?
I just would like to say that it's very nice for you to come down and to interview us. We appreciate that.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome back anytime.
Yeah.
We really look forward to working with the community. We've already done some work, and we're looking forward to doing even more. And we need the communities to let us know what can we do to make things better.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.